Good morning, guys. Today is March 31st and I am vlogging today. I'm just not really a vlogger, but I've been wanting to share more just lifestyle and day-to-day stuff with you guys, and I kind of have a busy day today and tomorrow, the next couple days or so I thought, why not vlog it, take you guys along with me. I'm calling it like a self-care thing I'm doing today. So for today, I'm about to get ready. I have my coffee with me, I need to put on some makeup, and I am headed to Skin by Lovely in Lake Oswego, Oregon to get some filler touch-up in my lips and some Botox or dysport in my forehead. And then after I do that today, I'm headed to a hair appointment, which is gonna take hours, I already know. I'm planning on adding some more purple to my hair. I also desperately need a haircut. My hair is so freaking long right now. Like, not that I want length off, but I need some like more shape in my hair. It's just all this curly mess, you know? So that's my plan for today. I will take you guys along with me, try to film what I can, make it fun. I don't know, a day in the life, even though this is not a normal day. You don't get Botox every day, you know? Oh my goodness, come here right now. Up. Oh, that's a big jump. How are you? How's my babies? This one's really cute. And this one's mine. Love this one. Got my Dutch Bros. So good. I'm gonna start by taking some CBD drops because I need it today. This is not sponsored, but this product was sent to me and I've been using it for the last month or so and I freaking love it, so I want to just share it with you guys. The brand is called Jupiter. First of all, how freaking cute is this dropper packaging? I love it. They have 4 different kinds of CBD and the one I'm taking today is called Reserve. It's the extra strong organic CBD. You take a dropper under your tongue, hold it there. Okay, there we go. You gotta let it sit under your tongue for like 30 to 60 seconds. But what's nice about this, that it has like a really nice minty flavor to it. Like a bunch of other CBDs I've tried taste just like oily and gross, but this one has a very like refreshing taste to it. Like it tastes like you just like chewed gum or something. I just took the Reserve drops. I normally take Oasis, which is their blue bottle, but I tried this one today because my period started today, so I'm just feeling crampy. Because this one's an extra strong CBD, it's definitely gonna help with the cramps today. But I've also been taking CBD just for like stress and anxiety just in general, and I find that it's really been helping me. Like, have you guys ever tried CBD? I've tried it like here and there, but I've never taken it consistently. And after taking it consistently for like a month, I've really noticed just a difference with just like my mental, like just calmness overall. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly mention that CBD because that's something that I've been taking every single day and I've definitely noticed a difference. I'm gonna link the brand down below for you if you want to check them out and check out their CBDs. But I do think I have a coupon code with them. I think it's just Angela10 for 10% off. If you want to check them out. I'm trying to think like what else is new, what I want to update you guys on. I've been doing a little cut calorie deficit for my diet the past 2 weeks and I have stuck to it probably 80% of the time. Which honestly, sticking to something 80% of the time is pretty dang good. So I'm down about 3 pounds in 2 weeks, which I'm very excited about. I'm not trying to like lose a ton of weight. I more just want to like lean out a little bit so I can show off my muscles. You know, like I do all this work, strength training in the gym, you know, 4 or 5 times a week. But I've just been kind of like eating whatever I want for the past 4 years of doing this. And so this is the first time I'm actually trying to like track my macros and stay on top of that. That's kind of mentally challenging, but it's really not that hard to stay in just a slight deficit. So next month in May, my boyfriend and I, and then my best friend and her husband, we're going to Disneyland. And I'm so excited. So my boyfriend and I are kind of like, hey, we're cutting for Disneyland. Like, we're gonna be shredded there. Not that I'm trying to show off my gains to like a bunch of little kids, but you know what I mean? It's nice to have some kind of goal / end date in sight. My skin looks so freaking glowy right now. I did just put on my skincare and wash my face like before this, but holy shit, this looks nice. And then next week, as you're watching this video, I will be in Minnesota with Sigma. I'm so freaking excited. So Sigma asked me if I want to come out there to celebrate the launch of one of their new collections. I believe it's called the New Mod collection. I'm super excited. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that like whole trip, but I'm definitely gonna be posting like on my stories, Instagram, TikTok probably. I'm just so excited to have like a little vacation. It's a super short trip, but like I haven't gone on a trip since what, like COVID? You know what I mean? I'm gonna go finish my makeup, then I'll check in with you guys in a bit. We
What you doing out here? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, belly for me. Look at this face. How could you not pet this belly? She's the cutest thing in the world. Big floof monster.
All right, makeup is done. Here's what we look like. Pretty simple skin. I popped on my Vivid half lashes from the Bright Lashes. I gotta pack some orders for the Bright Lashes. Let's do that really quick. I feel like I have to move pretty quick right now. I'm like kind of running out of time, but I also just rush myself in general. We got Vivid Flutter. Cute. 2 half lashes. I also always do a monthly giveaway for my Bright Lashes page. So if you post a look wearing our lashes, use the hashtag #TheBrightLashes, you're entered in the giveaway. And I pick a new person every month to win a free pair of lashes. Oh. All right, donezo, let's finish getting ready. Okay, I made it to my first appointment at Skin by Lovely. It was about like a 45-minute drive for me. Kind of shitty, but it's okay. So I think what I want to do is get my lips touched up. I definitely need like a little Botox right here because my lips are uneven and I can just like really see it right now. So I want a little Botox right there, probably maybe like half a syringe or so. I just feel like my lips are feeling small to me. I said earlier, I want some dysport in my forehead. I got Botox done in Texas. I think it was November, December, and the Botox just doesn't last very long on me. I think it's because I like work out so much, so I'm just always sweating. But before that time, I did have dysport done in June or July, and I really liked that. I like dysport more for my face because I guess I have really strong like facial muscles. I don't know, but I'm excited. Here we go. Okay, we are numbing. Take a deep breath in and let it out, a little pinch. Okay, I'm hungry. I have about an hour to my next appointment, so I'm currently in the Chick-fil-A line. My lips look amazing right now. I love how they look. She really focused the filler just like right in the center of my lips. I did have a little bit of migration up here. You actually might be able to see it. So probably next time I feel like I want to get filler, I'm probably gonna get that dissolved, so then the next time I get filler, it'll just look all good. Chick-fil-A, I love Chick-fil-A so. And then like I said, we did end up doing the dysport in the forehead, which will kick in about like a week or so. So yeah, I'm very happy with my experience today at Skin by Lovely. I freaking love Skin by Lovely. If you live in Oregon, they have a Portland location, Lake Oswego. I kind of want to say Vancouver or something, but they're just so nice there. Highly recommend them. Yes. Perfect, thank you. All right, I went home, had some lunch. Now I'm at my hair appointment. I'm so excited. So again, here's kind of the before. So right now I just have purple like in these front pieces, but like I said, I want more just kind of like throughout my hair, but not too much purple. Like I don't want to overdo it. I want it to be very soft. And like I said, I definitely need a haircut. My hair is so freaking long and it just has no shape to it. Like I just want more layers. I think I'm gonna film inside, but obviously you'll see me when it's done. Yay. All right, we got the root touch up going on. We have the highlights going. Gotta add the purple. Looking good. All right, here's my hair done all nice and styled. The purple's so much brighter in the front, and you can see like just the bits of purple throughout here. It's like just what I wanted. Super duper subtle, but it's still like kind of throughout the whole hair. I always mess up my hair so much. Like I hate having it like perfectly styled, but it's now 5:20, so that took 3 hours and 20 minutes. I am hungry. Time to go home, eat some dinner. Gonna have a chill night the rest of the night. So I'm gonna check in with you guys tomorrow because I'm planning on going to Sephora and possibly American Eagle / Aerie. See you then. Good morning. Today is Friday and I am just having a day today. I feel like shit. My period cramps are so bad right now and my mood is like so shitty. Putting on some press-on nails right now. I was supposed to go to the gym today and like mentally I really wanted to, but my body just feels like crap today. So listening to my body, not going to the gym. This color's cute. I already cried today for like no freaking reason. My boyfriend and I got up here, my desk was like a mess, and so I'm like trying to organize it and I just start crying and he's like, what's wrong? And I'm like, I'm so overwhelmed. And he's like, it's 10 o'clock. You have all day to do what you need to do. And I was like, okay, fine. But I do have to film today, but I'm excited about the palette I'm using today. It's the new Juvia's Place Culture palette, and it is a sponsored post, but this palette is freaking beautiful. Like, look at these colors. Aren't these so gorgeous? I'm so excited to play with this. So I'm gonna film this video today, and then I still wanna go to Sephora today. I think that'll help kind of brighten my mood. Do some retail therapy, you know. After that, I have to do some editing today. Mostly just kind of getting things together before my trip, getting all my videos planned out, ready to go, all my sponsorships lined up. Oh, here's the nails I used. I always use the Kiss Impress nails, and this is the shade Caramel. How pretty is like pinky brown. I really like this. And these last about a week for me with no glue. Freaking love them. I feel like my lips look pretty good from yesterday. Maybe like a tiny bruise there. Waiting for that Botox to kick in right there. Pretty good. Okay, here's a sneak peek of the eyeshadow so far. I'm freaking obsessed. Look at this green, yellowy eyeshadow. Oh, my face has just been so messed up recently, and I don't know what it is. And that's why I'm excited to go to Sephora today to get some new skincare products. My issue right now is just clogged pores, and it's not even acne. It just looks like acne because I pick at everything, so I make it extra red. But all it really is just those like tiny little bumps under the skin. And I know you guys think I probably wear a full face of makeup like every single day, but I really don't. I wear makeup maybe twice a week, like a full face, if anything. I wear makeup like when I'm filming, or like yesterday I had things to do, but that's really not that often. So I just don't really know why my pores are so clogged. Like, is it my skincare? And I drink so much water, so it's not like that. And I don't know. Very, very frustrating. I'm also on my period right now, so that just, you know, doesn't add to it. I kind of want to switch up my foundation. I'm gonna do a Too Faced Born This Way. Haven't worn this in a while. The shade is Warm Nude. Okay, I kind of forgot how much I love this foundation though. It's really good coverage. Doesn't look too heavy on the skin. Very hydrating. I just don't really use like Too Faced makeup a lot, you know? This is my mom's favorite foundation. I'm kind of doing like an old school YouTube full coverage base today, because all the bases I've been using I really like, but I feel like they're just not lasting very well on me. And so I'm kind of experimenting right now for something that will wear all day. Again, for the Sigma trip, because I need my makeup to look good all day. And like when I'm at home, I don't really care if it's like, you know, falling off at night because no one's seeing me. I put on that Too Faced foundation, and now I'm taking just the Charlotte Tilbury powder and using a sponge to set this in. I remember I first saw like Jaclyn Hill do this, and I was like mind blown with this technique, but it really does just give you like a blank slate. But I feel like the problem is when you set your full face with powder, you can't use cream blushes, and I like cream blushes. All right, I'm done filming. I love how this look turned out. So pretty. Now I gotta take some photos. I have some orders to pack, and then I need to eat some lunch. I am hungry. All right, one of those has to be good, right? Flare, Flutter, Vivid. Flutter. Flare. Vivid.
There you are. Thank you very much. Have a great day. You as well.
This literally matches my eyeshadow. Cute. Okay, I made it to the mall, and I'm actually kind of stressed and anxious because I've never been to this mall before, and it's like a mall. I've never been here in my life, so I don't know where Sephora or American Eagle is. Anxiety. I can do this. I can maneuver a mall. Oh my god, I found them. Right next to each other. Perfect. Too tight. I'm happy to be here right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot and tired from walking around. I haven't walked around a mall in 12 years. Okay, so I went to American Eagle to return a pair of black pants. I'm on a journey to find the perfect pair of black pants to fit my curvy body. I've tried so many pairs from so many brands, nothing fucking fits. So I returned one pair to American Eagle. I tried on a couple in store. Nothing fit me right, as usual, so I didn't get anything there. But I did do some damage at Sephora. I didn't get everything I wanted, so I'm gonna do more shopping online, but let me just show you what I got in store. First, my mom needed these. I just got the Too Faced Born This Way stuff. Funny, because I'm wearing this today. She likes this foundation and concealer. Oh, she also wanted this night cream. The Caudalie firming night cream. For me, I just got a couple things. I needed a new conditioner, so I got the Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil Ultra Rich Concealer, because I like conditioner, because I need like a super hydrating one for my curly hair. And then I found this wide tooth comb from Brioego. I mean, I could probably get like any wide tooth comb, but I need a wide tooth comb because I always brush my hair in the shower with conditioner. So I think this will be better than what I'm currently using. And then, like I said, all my skincare problems. So I got a couple things for that. So I did like research online before I went shopping. I got a new cleanser. I got the Youth of the People Superfood Cleanser. I've tried like the mini of this before and I remember really liking it. So I just got the full size of that. And then I also got the Youth of the People Retinol plus Niacinamide Youth Serum. This sounds like exactly what I need. It's a retinol serum, smooth, textured, and blemished skin, improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, and brighten uneven skin tone. That's literally exactly what I need. So I'm gonna use that. And then online, I was looking at Paula's Choice. It had pretty good reviews, so I got this little duo. It's the Expert Exfoliation Duo. So there's a 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid, so that'll help with acne. And then I got this rinse off treatment that has AHA and BHA in it. So I think like all of these things together, I hope works on my skin. And that's all I got at Sephora. But like I said, I have a lot more I wanted to get online. I also just get kind of anxious like shopping in store. All right, and that's kind of it for today. It's 4 o'clock right now. I'm gonna go home, eat, do some editing, like what I filmed today and stuff, and just chill. So I'll see if I continue this vlog. I don't know what I'm doing. Goodbye. Good morning. Today is Saturday and I finally made it to the gym today. Yay! I'm so excited after 2 days off. I'm thinking this is going to be the last bit of my vlog just because I've kind of done a lot so far, but I want to take you with me through my workout today. My program right now, I follow Brett Contreras' Booty by Brett. I've done it on and off for over a year or so, his program. I really like it. So this month's program is focused on like single arm and single leg movements, which is honestly harder in my opinion, and it takes longer. So today's gonna be a long and hard gym day, but I'm excited to move my body. I got my pre-workout, my creatine, my Hydro Drug. Oh, and I also got this cute new sports bra, so like cute, from Gymshark. All right, let's go lift some weights. Cheers. Oh my gosh. All right, I crushed that workout. I feel so good right now. I did everything I had to do in like I felt pretty strong today, so that's good. And I think that's gonna be it for the vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really liked filming this vlog and taking you guys along with me for a couple days. Let me know if you want to see more of these because I would be happy to do so. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.